I gained a much stronger sense of confidence than I had previously had, both artistically and in social settings.
It gave me the confidence to go out and take more, chances.
I never imagined myself painting, never imagined myself making sculpture. I never imagined myself doing woodworking, but through study and practice, I was really able to hone my craft in both 2D and 3D art.
My experience in music at Sandhills was really the foundation of my confidence as an artist. And because of their consistency in that and the honesty and integrity with which they taught, my confidence in my musicianship grew enough to allow me to succeed in auditioning for four-year schools, completing a performance degree, and now working as a music teacher myself.
The first show we did forced me to grow creatively because it took me out of a spot I was used to and put me into something new.
I think the biggest challenge was working in mediums I was not comfortable with. I think having that chance to experiment and play and find out what you really want to do is one of my favorite things about Sandhills.
When I showed up, I thought that I knew a lot about music, and I realized very quickly that there was so much more to learn. It really allowed me to gain so much from Sandhills. I mean, so much more than anything that I got from a four-year degree.
Because I had the opportunity to successfully perform every week, sometimes multiple times, I gradually started to gain little bits of confidence in my ability to perform, which was something that I did not even think was possible.
I felt really good going into four-year college because I felt very prepared. Because there was more time spent one-on-one with the teachers and in the studio, Sandhills at least gave you some time to absorb the knowledge and figure out, this is what I like to do.
I felt a bit more advanced than most of the people there. Skills like cold reads, analyzing the script, felt like everyone else was kind of a step behind, but I was ready.
I honestly felt head and shoulders above most of my peers because just the technical skills and my understanding of music theory really helped me stand out in my compositions and different assignments and stuff compared to my peers.
Some universities tend to teach theory, musicology, performance, etc. as individual and independent subjects, but Sandhills has structured its music program in a way that emphasizes the interconnectedness of the various disciplines.
So proudly we hail that the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stars and bright stars through the perilous flight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. The rockets red there, the bombers singing in her gate, proved through the night that our flight was still narrow. Say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and home of the brave?
Life at Sandhills prepared me in so many different ways, just being comfortable and being confident in my own professional skills with interviews, also networking and connecting with other people.
Community college gave me a lot of opportunities to exercise independence as an adult, largely through self-advocating. And doing that on the slightly smaller scale at Sandhills totally made it way easier for all the other big kid stuff.
And I think having a foundational understanding of that prepared me much more effectively for some of the more difficult upper level music classes at university.
Taking classes at Sandhills provides more than an education per se, because it also prepares you for real world interactions. I think particularly in the arts program, because so much of what we do is collaborative. So you learn how to respect other people's opinions and viewpoints, but also challenge them on occasion too. I think that's a really important skill.
There are so many things I could list, but one that has been especially important is the way that I learned to manage my time.
I am now a choir director at a church, and I use not only the musical skills, but also the leadership and teamwork skills that I learned at Sandhills every day.
My painting and drawing portfolio helped me find work immediately after college. I ended up becoming a painting teacher at a community center.
While different stages of life bring different things that need balancing, my time at Sandhills really prepared me to manage all the various things that are on my plate at any given time, both when I moved on to four-year university and now in my professional life.
You don't have to make it immediately. If you want, you could just do it as an enjoyment as you get older. Getting older shouldn't scare you as an actor either. It can just open up new avenues for you.
One of the things I appreciate about this school is you can come here as like an adult. All the students are treated with a tremendous amount of respect and support.
We were all able to grow, be challenged, have fun, and get to make long-lasting memories and connections.
I couldn't recommend it more. The people who run this program are some of the best people that I've ever met and worked with, to the point where I am still in contact with them to this day.
Screw your courage in a sticky place, and be not sick with pain and grief, for although thou her handmaiden should be far more fair than she is. How was that?
There's a whole range of things to explore, and Sandhills is the perfect place to do that.
Do not be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to do something out of your comfort zone. Be wacky, be creative, be loose. Keep going, keep making, see what feels right. The more you make, the happier you're gonna feel.
Have fun, make friends, and I mean, it's gonna be an amazing experience.
Happiness is seen together Wednesday, and happiness is those who sing with happiness is those who sing with yes. It's morning and evening, daytime and nighttime too. For happiness is anyone and anything at all that's loved by you.
You're a good man, Charlie.